Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch Samsung LED TV. Here in this TV the complaint is backlight okay, no display problem. See friends, this is the fault. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in gate signals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. If both sides gate signals are short, then it's difficult to repair. See friends, this TV comes with a HV320HB N80 barrels of oil equivalent panel. So let's check all the basic panel voltages with the multimeter. See friends, while checking with the multimeter we found that instead of panel input VCC 12 volt, all other panel basic voltages are missing from the panel scaler board. This because of any internal shorting in gate signals. The panel DC-DC IC goes to protection mode. These are the gate signals tracks from the right side and left side respectively. A full repairing video regarding this panel repair is coming soon on our channel, so please stay tuned for more updates.